In the world of problem solving, innovation is key. You may know Elon Musk, the man behind SpaceX, who once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." Or perhaps you've heard of Boyan Slat, the young inventor tackling ocean pollution head-on, who believes, to solve a problem we need to understand it first. Then there's Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, who uses his platform for good, stating, "The key to success is to be different and stand out." These modern-day problem solvers are shaping our world with their bold ideas and actions. They're not just dreaming of a better tomorrow, they're building it. And remember, you too can be a problem solver. The world needs your unique perspective and innovative solutions. So, why not start today? For more insights into the minds of priority problem solvers, keep watching our videos. Be inspired, be bold, and be the change. That's it for now. Until next time, keep solving problems.